Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging his fellow citizens to return home before they face deportation by the U.S. government, led by President Donald Trump. This call to action comes as the Trump administration cracks down on illegal immigration, with thousands of Jamaicans at risk of being deported. Holness wants to encourage Jamaicans to come back to their homeland and contribute to the country's economic growth, rather than risking deportation and the difficulties that come with it. The Prime Minister's message is clear. You are not homeless. You're not stateless, he said in a public address. Come back. He also warned those who might be considering returning to Jamaica with the intention of committing crime, saying, "Don't come back here to destroy your homeland and what we have been working very hard to create so that you wouldn't have had to leave in the first place." Holness emphasized that Jamaica is a safe and welcoming place for its citizens, with a low unemployment rate and a growing tourism economy. This move by Holness is not isolated, as other leaders in the region have also called on their citizens to return home in light of the Trump administration immigration policies. For example, Colombian President Gustavo Petro recently urged undocumented Colombians in the U.S. to return home, even offering loans to do so. This situation is complex, with many Jamaicans living in the U.S. facing uncertainty and fear about their future. Prime Minister Holness is urging all Jamaicans who are living abroad to take immediate action to ensure that they are in compliance with the immigration laws of their host country. If you are at risk of deportation, please return home to Jamaica before it's too late, said Prime Minister Holness. We are here to support you and provide you with the resources and opportunities you need to succeed. In addition, the Jamaican government is also urging all Jamaicans who are living abroad to register with the Jamaican embassy or consulate in their host country. This will ensure that they receive important updates and information about immigration-related issues and other matters that may affect them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness' call to action is a timely reminder of the importance of ensuring that all Jamaicans are in compliance with the immigration laws of their host country. By returning home, you will not be affected by deportation. Remember, the Jamaican government is here to support you and provide you with the resources and opportunities you need to succeed. Don't wait until it's too late. Return home to Jamaica today.